I've got something here, this Hydrim hair mask. So if your hair is tired or thirsty or just really needs a good conditioning, this is for you. This is a blend of argan oil plus 10 more plant oils. And it gave my hair an instant softness, instant hydration, and was so much easier to detangle. Opening this up here, it smells amazing. It is light, it is clean, it is fresh. This feels like something straight from a salon. So after shampooing, I applied the mask to my hair from mid-length basically to the ends, and I left it on for about 7 minutes. I spread it easily through my damp hair. I rinsed it out. There was no greasy film. There was no heaviness, just soft, smooth texture. And the result, my hair was less frizz and more shine, and it felt just softer. So if your hair needs a deep moisturizer, smoother texture, or just a reset from the heat, the damage, the dryness, my hair is color treated, and this worked perfect. No problems. This is an instant boost, instant softness, and I'm going to use this on repeat. This review was sponsored.